Welcome back, guys. Today we are going to learn about how to create a particular map in a mostly how to make a map in a format of using QGIS. This is also a type of, like, for example, if you want to make a study area map or anything like that. First, you need to load the particular data which you want to work with. In my condition, this is a kind of how to use a preference in QGIS. So my data is vector data. So this is one of the area from West Bengal. We'll make a map of this. So to make a map in QGIS, first you need to go to layout. First to go to new print layout. Give a particular name map I'm giving. Now this panel will load. You need to add your map. Just click on add map and just drag your mouse to the layer like this. Just smaller bit. Yeah. After loading a map, you will see three properties here: layout, undo, history. History will give you the all the layer, and the item property, which item is loaded in particular canvas. You can see that. You can change the size of the map from here, scale, changing the scale, or even you can do one thing. Just go to move content, and from cursor of the mouse you can do that without changing the scale. Even through the scale you can do that. From zoom layer you can zoom. Like that you have to zoom. Do back zoom, just you can do from here. From here you can zoom. Even from cursor of the mouse you can do that. So to do that, let's just go to grid. To give a particular grid, click on add new grid and then go to modify the grid. If you want to change the scale, you can change the scale too. Here in grid type you can give whatever you wish. I'm giving cross, and here change the, let's just drag it more, change the lat long projection, because if you keep it as huge map of CRS, there will be too many hanging in your laptop. So just change the projection from mostly to any projection whichever the location you have. In my condition is 432684, and interval you can change if you want. Let me give the centimeter. From here you have to give the interval, how much you want to give. For example, I am giving 1 2. Offset you need to keep it as, you can change cross width according to your need. I don't need to do that. You can give the frame size as per you want, giving zebra or nautical zebra. You can give line border. I'm considering zebra, so just give zebra. You need to change, remove the cross width, otherwise this horizontal point will be there. So just remove it, lower it, it will be gone. If you keep it cross width 0, it will gone. After that, you need to go to draw coordinate. You can see coordinate. You have to change this according to from here. Just change the aligns horizontal to the vertical ascending, and even the right one too. And to change this, we need to go to here. You can change it. Just give X and Y. It was fine into, let's give it 5, 3. It will be fine. You can see that. And you can increase the distance from here. As much distance you want to keep. Frame thickness, frame size. It will change the frame size if you want to change. This will change frame size again. This is the frame output, and here in draw coordinate distance from a map, you can keep it like 1-2 mm as what you want. You can increase precision of the map. I'm keeping it small. I don't want decimal fraction. So ऐसे इसको चेंज करना है. मोस्टली आई फॉरगेट कि मेरे को कुछ लोग ने बोला था कि आप हिंदी में भी बोलो, तो मैं दोनों में मेरे को बोलना था, पर मैं बस इंग्लिश में बोल रहा था. So that's how you need to do the make the map outline. Then the other part will come. I forget to change the different variation in the map. So to change that, you have to go to the back to your main canvas of the QGIS. Let's go to properties. Even if you make a change from here, there will be change in your particular map preference. Go to symbol, change it to category. Choose the value of your name which have different name. In my condition is a district name. Choose color ramp as much you want. Let me choose turbo. Then click on classify. Remove this. You don't need that. Or plus sign adding and removing that. Click and then OK. You can see the canvas has changed here too. Okay. Now to add the other item, for example, if you want to add a legend, for example, here, you can just drag that. Legend will come. My legend is too big. Let's make it a little smaller, or let's just keep it here. You can change the legend properties from item and even from there. For example, I'm clicking on it. You can see legend properties has. You can give title if you want. Legend, just give legend. Welcome legend. If you want to make it a wrap text, you can do that. Font size of the formatting, you can change that. Let's small it. You see the font size has changed. It's again smaller. This is for the font text formatting. If you want to make a spacing, you can do that too. For this is upward legend. If you want this, from here you can see that. So from here you can make a change in the legend as per requirement of you. If you want to make it smaller, you can do that. I think this is enough. Okay. If you want to make a small in the font size, you can do from here and even from the main canvas. If you want to give a group heading, you can do that. These are the things. You can even render, or even the position. You can change position size. For example, you can see or you want to make up, you want to make a width, change in width. This you can see there is no change in the legend, but this is how you can change. There are more way you can change. You need to explore the thing to know the fact. Not everything can become on video. Like obviously सब चीज आपको बुक में नहीं मिलेगा. आपको काफी कुछ खोजना पड़ता है. You need to explore, right? So just play with GIS. You will get to know many things. Now let's add a different item. If you want to add a northern arrow, just click on add north arrow and just drag it. And even you can make a change from the item box. If you want to make a change, you can choose as whichever you want. For example, whatever you want. If you want anything else apart from north, for example, if you need another symbol, there are so many options. So I will keep it as it, and let add from here add option. You can add anything. You have seen here lot of things are there. We have add legend, north arrow. Let's add scale bar. So let's add here. Scale is small. You can make a change to it. All the change in the item you can do from the item property. So let's increase small it. You can make a change as much you want. You can increase segment if you want. This is the way it will look. Just change it. Yeah. Or we can do more change. You need to see what are the options. You can change the height of the of the scale. You can change how it will look. Different color too. Or even the rendering option. So this is the scale. If you want to add anything else, you can do that. You can give label and even the name. Want to give label. A map, just give map. Anything you want, you can increase the size. It will come, make it in center. It will come in. Let's change its size. It's too small. Making it there. So there are a lot of way to change, make a change. You can change the color or font size. You can insert even expression if you want. It's up to you. Whatever you want to do, you can. So as much you want, you can do that. So after doing that, after the map is done, how to just you need to go to layout, then export as an image. Just give map png. Yes, and you can change the resolution of the export, height, weight, and it will come. Let's see, it does export here. No, it's exported in your file. If you go to download, look, map png. Map is here in JPG or PNG, any format over whichever you will choose. So that's how you have to make a map. Okay, thank you so much guys. I hope you have liked my video and keep watching me. You have to explore yourself, and I will love you share my video among your friends, family, or anyone who love to explore GIS, remote sensing, or geography. Thank you so much.